Friday night knife review. Now today what we got here is we got this Olympia folding knife with clip. There's literally no name on it other than that. It literally just says stainless steel blade and a pocket clip, along with fast action blade. So is it assisted? I don't know. We'll find out. But in order to get it open, we need to get an infinitely better knife. So let's go ahead and let's open her up. It was as simple as that. Get her out. Get what the first impressions are of it. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And my first impressions that are holding this thing is that it's not the most comfortable knife on the planet to hold. Because that little pocket clip right there. But of course, I don't like pocket clips for that exact reason. Because if you're having to do a lot of work, that little clip will dig into your hand. But we all know that the vast majority of knives get used for opening cardboard boxes anyway. But anyhow, the little guards right here, I think are plastic. But let's go ahead. Let's check out this blade here real quick. I mean, it says it's a fast action blade, but it's not assisted. And it doesn't exactly open that well. How well's the blade in her? Pretty damn solid. Let's see if we can see in the inside of here to see what the little whatchamacallits are made out of. They appear to be Teflon or plastic, but that's not important. Let's find out. Is she sharp? I've had sharper knives. Yeah, I've had sharper knives than that. I mean, most of the time you wouldn't dare to run your finger over a blade like that. Like that buck knife that I opened this with, I would have been bleeding if I'd have did that. But, I mean, this is a good looking knife. I mean, put a little edge on it, and it's... That right there is just a little bit too curved in there to be really comfortable to use. I mean, I guess if you had smaller hands, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's a good looking knife. $15 for a blade the blade that's in there that solid, probably last you a couple months, and then the blade started to get loose, and you wonder what the hell you were doing with your life, and then you go buy an infinitely better knife. But anyhow, that's the Olympia folding knife with pocket clip. Yeah, that's a quick little video. If you liked what you seen, freaking go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And if you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and put a dragon emoji down in the comment section. It helps me out. It really does. By the way, if you like this thing, also, these other two videos right here are also things. So go ahead and check one of them out. Freaking whatever YouTube recommends you or whatever the hell I put up here. So, thank you for watching.